For centuries, humans dreamed of flight, and today that dream fits in the palm of your hand. This is not a military base or a secret lab. This is a next-generation drone factory where intelligence, automation, and precision come together to build the eyes of the modern world. From aerial photography to disaster rescue, from agriculture to autonomous delivery, every drone begins here. Inside the Design and Digital Engineering Lab, each drone starts as data, where engineers create digital twins, virtual replicas tested thousands of times before a single part is built. Aerodynamics, weight balance, vibration tolerance, and heat flow are simulated under extreme conditions, while AI software predicts failure points before they exist, allowing engineers to reduce weight, extend battery life, and improve stability in high winds. Modern drones are built from materials lighter than aluminum yet stronger than steel, using carbon fiber frames for strength without weight, aerospace-grade plastics to absorb vibration, and copper windings with rare earth magnets to power high-efficiency motors, with every component scanned, weighed, and logged, because even a single gram matters. In the manufacturing zone, carbon fiber sheets are laser-cut with micron-level accuracy as robotic arms mold and compress them under controlled heat and pressure, creating frames strong enough to survive crashes yet light enough to fly for miles, each one stress-tested before moving forward. The heart of the drone, the motor, is crafted with copper coils wound at high speed, magnets perfectly balanced to eliminate vibration, and every motor spun at full power to test torque, heat, and electrical efficiency, allowing only flawless units to pass. Propellers, though simple in appearance, are engineered masterpieces, with blade angles optimized for lift and noise reduction, balanced and tested in airflow tunnels, where precision is measured in fractions of a milligram. Power comes from lithium battery cells assembled in dust-free clean rooms, sealed with robotic precision, embedded with thermal sensors, and subjected to rigorous charge, discharge, and stress testing, where safety is non-negotiable. Intelligence is added when flight controller boards are installed, mounting microprocessors, gyroscopes, accelerometers, and GPS modules that control stability, navigation, obstacle avoidance, and autonomous flight, each flashed with firmware and tested in simulated flight conditions before ever leaving the ground. Vision systems bring the drone to life as high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, LiDAR, and depth sensors are aligned with micron precision, calibrated and synchronized to allow drones to map terrain, track objects, and navigate complex environments. On the final assembly line, frames, motors, electronics, cameras, and batteries come together as robots handle precision tasks and human technicians perform critical inspections, routing every wire perfectly and torque checking every screw as a collection of parts becomes a machine. Before release, every drone must prove itself through hover tests, wind resistance trials, emergency shutdown procedures, and GPS accuracy checks, flying inside enclosed chambers or outdoors under controlled conditions. Once approved, drones are cleaned, sealed, packaged, registered, secured, and prepared for global distribution, shipped to filmmakers, farmers, scientists, and first responders around the world. This is not just manufacturing, it is the creation of autonomous technology shaping the future of transportation, data, and safety, where from raw materials to intelligent machines, every drone tells a story of innovation. And this is how the future takes flight.
Drone is stable. Increase altitude and proceed to Sector B. Copy. Arm 3 is engaging the target. Confirmed.